bright new day. Wake up, the sun shines bright. A garden day feels just right. Mom and Dad call, come on, let's go. Grandma and Grandpa love it so. Digging and planting, grab a shovel, dig, dig, dig. Not too small and not too big. Grandpa says now plant them right. Tuck them in but not too tight. Little seeds go in the ground, softly tucked and safe and sound. Grandma claps, give them a drink. Water, water, watch them sink. Caring for our plants, sunshine shines, the rain goes drip. Tiny leaves begin to flip. Weed, weed, pull them out. Grandpa cheers, no weeds about. Pat the soil soft and neat. Wipe my hands and stomp my feet. Mommy smiles, you're doing great. Gardens grow, just watch and wait. Playing in the garden, buzz, buzz, bees fly high. Butterflies go dancing by. Chase and twirl, jump around. Soft green grass upon the ground. Hide and seek behind the tree. Pick a flower just for me. Wiggle toes in muddy fun. Splash and giggle in the sun. The first harvest, look, look, what do I see? Red tomatoes, 1, 2, 3. Carrots, beans, and corn so tall. Our little plants have grown so all. Sharing and enjoying, basket full, let's cook and eat. Fresh and yummy, what a treat. Salad, soup, a veggie stew, all from plants that lovely grew.